In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to access Themes app. Following that, click on Themes section at the top left corner. Now you can tap on this loop at the top right one and type in wherever you wish to. You can also just select one of those themes. In my case, maybe this one. Now click on download over here. And click on apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my smartphone has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you can do that by accessing the same settings. But this time choosing my account at the bottom right corner. Now click on Themes and select one of your default ones. In my case, Classic. Then click on Apply again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!